Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids that trash their rules with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it, you just know. That's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion, the drastic movement of people acting stupid.
I come to every club with intention to do harm, with a prosthetic arm and smelling like Boone's Farm. Hiding under tables as soon as I hear alarms. Paranoid deep that it's still from his own mom. Canary corn, artist with a bomb. Strapped to my stomach screaming. A lust that love to drink. Drunk driving a tank, rolling over a bank. Cops see me and bank. It's drastic, I'm past my limit of coke. I think I up my high by slitting your throat. Put your baby carriage into the street till it's mincemeat. You miss been beat the minute I step on your street. This is fight music.
You know why my hands are so numb? No. My grandmother sucked my dick and I didn't come. Smacked this whore for talking crap. So what if she's handicapped? The bitch said Bizarre couldn't rap. I fucking hate you. Take your drawers down and rape me. While Dr. Dre videotaped you. Satan got me on this song. Eating a hot dog, reading the Holy Quran while I'm on the John. Tired of wearing this yellow thong. Take it back, Cisco. You know where it belongs. Now here's a gun. I'll put it in your palm. I go over there and blow off Julia's arms. Fuck the love songs.
This kind of music, use it and you get hand to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids that trash their rules with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it, you just know. That's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion, the drastic movement of people acting stupid.
Bring who you gon' bring on, who you gon' swing on. I'm King Kong, guns blow you the kingdom. Come, show you machine gun funk. 16, you 16s, one pump. Snub in my paws, shove it in your jaws. How you running out this fucking club in your drawers? We loving the brawls, there's nothing to applaud. But fuck it, it's all good, the hood is up and it's all. It's fight music.
I'm a nigga that loves scuffles and won't hesitate to sock you again with swollen knuckles. I'm like that. Catch a nigga like bear traps, blow his head back right in front of the precinct. I slap you free, bump you and won't speak. If you step on my feet, you get drowned in your own drink. I suffocated my shrink just for talking. Came back and fucked up his pallbearers and made him drop his coffin. It's fight music.
These bees, I'm swinging and stinging them. See all these niggas when I step in the club, I'm bringing them. And any nigga looking too hard, we right and kinging them. Malice greening them and gasoline in them with premium. Light a cigarette, flick it at him, or spit it at him. Hold up a picture of his family and kick it at him. Blast while you right hooking, right when your wife's looking. Fuck fight music, bitch, this is losing your life.
Fucking capture the rage of today's youth and bottle it. Crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it. And spit it back in the faces of you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace's, Versace's, and you Nazis. Watch me cause you thinking you got